Well, I'm packing for my Disney World trip, my epic Disney World trip, and look what I am packing first. This came out today. I'm a huge Zelda fan. I'm going to the Polynesian, club level, and DVC, Disney World 2 weeks, and I'm going to take this bad boy with me and play on my balcony. So, anyways, I'm a huge Zelda fan. I have the original Switch from launch day, but this Amiibo, I don't usually buy Amiibos, but this was $5 and it's Zelda, and Skyward Sword is one of my favorites. It's really fun, so I got this. I'm gonna open this. Let's open this. Let's see if this actually is worth, if you have the original Switch and you're fine with it, is it really an upgrade? And just look at this beautiful box. Look at this. Look at this art. Oh my gosh. I mean, this is, look at this. Game not included. It's bastards. Anyways, let's see what this looks like in person. It's the first time I'm seeing this myself. I'm gonna take it out of the wrapping. In person, looks awesome. Oh yeah, the dock. Marty. Got the cables here. HDMI. The regular. And okay. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. This thing itself makes it worth it. This thing. Look at this thing. Oh my gosh. This is beautiful. Wow. Huge. Listen, I'm comparing it to the regular Switch I have. I mean, the dock, it's got the emblem up top here. This is spectacular. Wow. Yeah. Oh yeah. Let's open this. Oh jeez, don't break it. Oh, did I break it? Oh yeah. I mean, look at this thing here. You know what's crazy is if this game turns out, the Tears of the Kingdom turns out to be like amazing, which it seems like it's gonna be better than Breath of the Wild, which I'm a big Ocarina of Time fan, but I miss the dungeons and the bosses and special items, all the special items. But if this turns out to have some of that and it turns out amazing, I mean, getting this is an even better feeling, you know? That's cool. I like this. I like this a lot. This has got like a little white stuff in it too, which gives it a nice, it's not just gold, you know? Okay, Switch OLED. Oh yeah, look at that. That is beautiful. You just flip this open. Ooh, that feels real nice. Oh yeah, glossy, beautiful. Okay, let me see these controllers. Let's put it all together. I gotta say, coming from a launch day Switch, this thing, it looks so premium, you know? Okay, these controllers. Oh yeah. Ooh-wee. I love it. I absolutely love it. Listen to the satisfying click. Oh, that was kind of... Ooh, yeah. Let's try this one. Okay. I think maybe it makes more of a click when you put it in this. It's beautiful. Okay, let me put it together with this. It's got some dust on it right now, but man, this is nice. As a Zelda fan, it's beautiful. And it's just looking at it, it's beautiful. I gotta say, if you look at like all the different games, systems, and hardware throughout the years, like Zelda editions, compared to the regular or even other editions, they're so much more valuable too. Keep that in mind, you know? So if you ever like want to sell your system or upgrade to a new one, these are gonna fetch you more money too, you know? So I am thoroughly impressed. So just by first glance, without even turning it on, it's worth the upgrade over a regular Switch. If you have like the original Switch, you know. I mean, what did I pay? I got it from Target, so I got the 5% off with the Target Red card and all that. After taxes and stuff, I think it came out to $370-ish, something like that. So, I mean, I'll tell you what, if you don't have like a PlayStation 5, but you already have the original Switch, then, you know. But if you're a Zelda fan, you gotta get this. You know, you gotta get it. Gotta. And hold on. We cannot forget. Look at this thing. My gosh. Let me put it in there. Look at this thing. This is spectacular. This is beautiful. Yeah. Okay, let's unbox this $5 Zelda that I got. The colors on this just make you happy. Look at this thing. Okay. Wow, the detail. Detail on this is spectacular. Look at this thing. Wow. Man, spent a lot of money on Zelda today. Okay, let me pull this out here. Let's see. I love it. It's pretty big, actually. I mean, I got it for $5 from GameStop because it's on sale, but what is this thing usually, 15? I will be playing Skyward Sword again to use this and see how it is. But look at this setup. Look at this thing. Just put it in the middle. That's a beaut. Yeah, so oh, let me turn it on. Let's see the screen compared to the original. I haven't seen an OLED yet. But look at this thing. Yeah, that's cool. Ooh. Oh. Oh. Yeah. All right. Ooh, look at all these icons. Let's just pick Ganondorf for now. Actually, let's see what they have. Heck. Ooh. Got some Link. Oh, Wind Waker. Alright, let me just pick something here. Let's pick a Wind Waker Link. Background green. Yeah. Blue-ish. What do you call it? Turquoise? I don't know. Oh, gosh. Hey, I gotta say, the screen, it's beautiful. It's like, you know what's weird? It's like, it's not like 720p, which it actually is. It looks higher because it's so, because of the OLED, it's clear. Wow. Let's turn up the brightness. Turn up the brightness? Oh, it's already up. Oh, right. Oh, whoa. Oh, man. Let's put in a game, see what it looks like. Let's put in Breath of the Wild, huh? I'm putting it in the right way. Oh. Oh, there she is. You know what I didn't notice? I brought my old one here. Look at the border. Oh, it's all scratched up. Look at the border, how thick it is on this old version versus this. I know I got a lot of glare on this, but man, the screen is spectacular. Listen, you know, I have an OLED TV, love it. Especially if you don't have an OLED TV. And I mainly play on TV, so when I put my Switch in, I don't play handheld much. But having this with an OLED screen, I will. I mean,
open your eyes.
Let's put this bad back in.
Wake up, Link.
Oh. This isn't bigger because the bezels are gone. Look at this thing. Look at how much bigger it seems. I think it's just not even an inch more, but in person it looks way different. Wow. Yeah, if you don't have an OLED Switch, get the Zelda version. Just trust me. Let me see. I mean, the controls feel the same. This is beautiful. Let me get through to where he sees the field, you know. Oh, I love this thing. I love this thing.
That is a Sheikah slate.
Is it? Thank you.
Take it. It will help guide you after your long slumber.
I'm telling you. Take this, keep it. Look how much my regular Switch has been through. But man. With that cheap stand thing it has, I mean, that's a huge difference. This is so cool. This is so cool. This thing is amazing. I can't believe it. Imagine playing the new Zelda on this. Sound is great too. Alright, so that's my review. Get it. Get it if you have the first Switch and you can afford it, you know. Do I feel like it's a waste? No. In fact, if you have the first one, just sell it. trade it in, get this. This is gonna be, if you look up like 3DS Zeldas, 3DS versions. Oh my gosh, love the sounds. The Wind Waker version of Wii U, all that stuff. It's worth more than the regular ones, you know. So even if you keep it later on, you want to trade it in or whatever, it's gonna, the value is gonna be higher too. So, oh man, yeah, yep. All right, next video is going to be me from Walt Disney World, and I'll be playing this bad boy on my balcony. No doubt about it. All right, thanks for joining me, and have a great day.